In the heart of every machine built for speed and freedom, there is a core of pure high-revving power. Before the gears click and the throttle twists, that heart must be painstakingly built. This is the unseen assembly of a modern motorcycle engine. Every engine begins with its core strength. First, we install the crankshaft. This component is critical, converting the piston's up and down motion into the rotational power that drives the motorcycle. It's precisely nestled into its half of the casing with high-tolerance bearings. Next, we integrate the transmission. Unlike a car, the motorcycle gearbox lives inside the engine case. The input and output shafts, along with dozens of perfectly matched gears, are seated. This will be the complex mechanism that allows the rider to control speed and torque. Now for the seal. The second crankcase half is carefully mated to the first, sealing the crankshaft and gearbox within a single rigid block. The shift mechanism, the selector forks and drum, is installed, ready to click into the correct gear ratios. With the base secured, we build the fire chamber. The cylinder head and camshafts are added, completing the combustion area. The timing chain is installed with absolute accuracy, ensuring the intake and exhaust valves open and close at the perfect moment. The final details. The clutch is mounted, ready to engage the transmission. We install the spark plugs and final external covers. With a precise electronic signal, the engine roars to life. A complex heart ready for the open road, built on speed and precision. The assembly is complete. The machine is hungry for acceleration. We've built power and freedom. If you want to see more technology that powers our world, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.